Unity should not have made those changes. Both sides are in the wrong. Backlash shouldn't be the way it is. Unity outraged us all when they added the 20-cent installation fee. Now, if you're financially literate like me, that doesn't really seem like too much of a big deal. That little number adds up very quickly over time, which can mess with a lot of people's income and make them possibly have to get another job just to get food on the table. And while I personally don't use Unity, I did respect it up until now. Now it... Turned out, Unity itself is split over whether these changes were good or bad. There were several employees from Unity that actually quit because they disagreed with this. The backlash even got to a point where Game Studio made their first ever public statement saying that despite the fact that they were nearly done with their project, they're going to completely scrap it and restart in a separate game engine. And then they went on to further address Unity, saying, "We've never made a public statement before. This is how badly you messed up." And that's censoring. The backlash has gotten very out of hand. There have been death threats in California and in Texas. That is not okay to do. While yes, I understand that you guys are upset, I'm upset as well, and I'm not even a Unity game dev. Both sides have crossed a major line. One is messing with people's income on a very big scale, and the other is literally messing with their life. That is not okay. Both sides are in the wrong here.
Hey, it's me, Shards. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to click this one over here. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'll see you over there. Don't forget to subscribe.